Hi sellers, in this video you'll learn how to file a safety claim through Amazon Seller Central and how to check the reason if a claim is rejected. SafeT, or Seller Assurance for e-commerce transactions, is a self-service tool that allows you to request reimbursements for losses beyond your control, such as damage during transit, abuse, fire damage, or incorrect returns. To begin, sign in to Amazon Seller Central. Open the menu in the top left corner, go to Orders, and select Manage SafeT Claims. On the Manage SafeT Claims page, click File a New Safety Claim in the top right corner. You can submit a claim using an Order ID, Tracking ID, or Return Merchandise Authorization (RMA) ID. Enter a valid ID and click Check Eligibility. Select the ASIN you want to claim for, enter the number of units, and click Next. Choose the claim reason from the drop-down menu, then select a sub-reason to provide additional details. Click Next to continue. Upload clear and relevant evidence to support your claim. This may include photos of damaged items, images of the return package, shipping labels, or supporting documents. After uploading the required files, click Next, then Submit to file your claim. To track claim status or review rejected claims, open the menu, go to Orders, and select Manage Safety Claims. Scroll to view all submitted claims. To see rejected claims, open the Denied tab. Click View Message for any order to review the rejection reason and next steps. Important reminders: respond to any requests for additional information within 3 business days. Use the Manage Safety Claims page for all follow-up communication. Ensure all submitted evidence is valid and directly related to the claim. Common reasons a safety claim may be denied include submission after the 15-day window from the return or refund date, exceeding the customer transaction reimbursement policy limit, missing or invalid evidence, a proactive reimbursement already issued, no response within 3 business days, returns received in tamper-proof packaging, unsupported video file formats, the order amount not charged to the seller account. That's it. You now know how to file a safety claim and review rejection reasons to manage reimbursements more effectively. Thank you for watching and happy selling.